morning, it's Dave Irwin. Today we're in a first grade classroom doing another Talk, Write, Learn academic conversation lesson. These students will be learning about how birds use their beaks and their feet to adapt to their habitat and find the kinds of food that they eat. And eventually be creating their own bird and writing about how that bird adapts to its environment. Not only are you going to be saying what you think about the different birds, but you're going to be asking your partner to tell you more about what they think about the birds. So I would like us to practice what that looks like real quick. Olivia, what do you like to play at recess?
The monkey bars.
Monkey bars. Tell me about the monkey bars.
I can skip.
You can skip them. That means it's important for young students, especially, to practice listening and paraphrasing first on a simple topic. Now, can you say back what I just said? Here, Olivia and I demonstrate what that looks like and sounds like.
To get it in the goal.
Right. At this point, partners will tell each other about recess and practice repeating what they heard.
I like to do soccer and...
Let's start on our lesson called What's for Lunch? Because these birds all eat different things for lunch. Here we go. Talk, Write, Learn can be used in any grade level, any content area, with narrative or expository writing. In this first grade science lesson, students will observe and discuss how birds use their beaks and feet to adapt to their habitats. After discussion on 6 kinds of birds, students will then create their own bird and tell how it uses its beak and feet. Ready for the next bird?
Yeah!
The next bird is the duck. Why do you think the duck's feet have the webbing?
Because the webs help them swim like super fast. They swim super fast when they do that. So the duck has webbed feet because they have pointy things.
Speaking with a partner was really beneficial because it allowed them to ask questions back and forth and really talk about specifics. Instead of just saying big claws, they were able to say big strong claws with pointy talons or small claws, and they really wanted to elaborate with their partners before they put it down on paper.
A duck can use its feet to swim.
Here comes our next bird. Are you ready? It's the hawk. This bird does not eat fish, it doesn't eat plants, it doesn't eat insects, it eats meat. Yes.
Wow, it's a slug. No, that's a snake.
Most exciting introduction to this was the videos and seeing some different birds that they may not have been exposed to.
This hawk caught a snake. The snake is trying to bite the hawk.
It kind of opened up their ideas as they started to think about what they were going to create as far as the characteristics of their own bird.
Turn to your partner and talk about the hawk and the snake.
The snake tried to get away, and the snake was trying to bite it.
Students have seen and discussed several birds at this point. They now discuss with their partners about the shapes and purposes of the beaks and draw and write what they and their partners say. Drawing is a good first step for first graders because it helps them anchor their thoughts and they can add labels from the word wall later on. You will need to give your bird a certain kind of beak and certain kind of feet that will help it catch the food that it eats. The next step is to have students create a new bird with a beak and feet that help it live in its habitat.
What is that?
Once they have created their bird, they will write a narrative tale about their bird, illustrating in words and pictures how it lives.
About the beak.
Moving from facts into narrative is an application that helps students integrate new content and language learning. Have you seen a hummingbird?
Well, yeah, I saw a whole bunch of them at my grandma and grandpa's hummingbird feeder.
I think they were able to go a little farther, especially for first graders. They're really learning how to put their thoughts on paper, and they still want a lot of assistance from the teacher or other adults in the room. And so really giving them the confidence to try to put their words down without as much help, I think was really good for them.
It eats flowers. It lives in the meadow.
Excellent.
Seeing the work that they came up with really made them go, aha, I can do this. And I'm hoping that benefits me for the rest of the year now too, knowing that they can do it.
Nice job, thank you.
Right. Hey! I hope you have a great time watching this video. So, we're talking about birds here. One, two, three, peace